Hello and welcome to another Crystal Display Systems Display Corner video. We thought we'd get a couple of interesting products out today to show you. So we've got circle versus square basically. So here we've got a 23.6 inch full circular display and a 33.2 inch square display. Both very interesting products, different marketplaces, different price points. So square displays have been around for a little while now. Typically we used to make them by cutting vertically through a panel to make a quasi square screen. But now there are a couple of manufacturers that are making true square screens. So this is a full HD 1920 by 1920 screen. And then we've built this with a anti-glare touchscreen as well. It's got a beautiful anti-glare finish on it, really nice to touch. And we've got customers in the fields of digital artwork, mosaic video walls and these kind of things, these square displays. They used to start off at 17, but unfortunately that was recently discontinued. So you've got 22 inch, 33.2 as original squares, and then we do a 44 inch version as well. There is talk of a larger one, but it's not confirmed yet. And then moving on to the circle, a few years ago, you used to be able to make a circle screen out of a square. So effectively what you'd do is you'd oversize the bezel of the touch glass and make it look like a circle, but actually behind it was a square screen. This is actually an originally produced circular module. So it's a fairly high price point, but it's very unique. There's not many companies that actually make a proper circular screen. This one's been made again with touch, and this is going to a customer. You'll notice the halo that's been added as well, which is familiar to those guys that buy our gaming products. So this will be going to a gaming manufacturer to be used in one of their newest machines, and it's going to make a fantastic topper for that machine, which is predominantly the market we see for this. Say it's new, it's interesting, it's got those two unique aspects being the halo and the full proper circular TFT panel. Beautiful touchscreen on here as well. Again, PCAP, but not with anti-glare on this one. The circular at the moment is only available in 23.6. It's a new product, but I think with the right focus, we could do really well with this product for our customers, because there's not many people that have them. Again, gaming, high-end retail. We've also got a couple of brands interested that happen to have circular products that would work well with this kind of display in the retail environment. If you'd like any more information, then by all means give us a call, 01634 791 600, that's here in the UK. And you can email us, info@crystal-display.com, or visit our website, which will be in the link below. Thank you very much.